Hey ladies and gents, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Kukuletu, the owner of talkinmusic.com, and today I'll be talking about how to equalize rap vocals. So let's get started then. Don't forget that if you want more tutorials about mixing, you can check out talkinmusic.com/books. Now what I did for the lead vocals was to remove the low energy rumble at 68 Hz and then removed some hollow frequencies at 547 Hz. The first thing that you need to do when you equalize rap vocals is to make sure that you clean them out before you can do any boosts or add any presence. The next step to clean your vocals is to use a de-esser. A de-esser will remove all the sibilant sounds that have an S or a T. Those can create ear fatigue and people won't listen to your entire song if it has a lot of sibilants. So you have to make sure that you clean them out. Next up, I added an EQ, a shelf to remove all the low-end energy, and a boost at around 2 kHz to bring up the presence of the vocal, and then a shelf at 8 kHz to make sure that I add brightness and make the vocals more clearer and just to add some shine. So for the ad-libs are a bit different from the lead vocal because I don't want them to overpower the lead vocal. So they have more cuts as compared to the lead vocal. So the low-end cut has been pushed to 92 Hz as compared to the lead vocal, which was at 68 Hz. Next up, what I did was to remove muddy frequencies at around 270 Hz and then some hollowness at 539. And finally, a cut at 3 kHz to make sure that the ad-libs are not edgy so that they don't overpower the lead vocal. I also used the de-esser, but this time I pushed it a little bit more as compared to the lead vocal, just to make sure that I keep them at the back of the mix. And then the EQ boost for the ad-libs are a bit similar to the lead vocal. The only difference is that they are a bit lower as compared to the lead vocal. So let me disable all the other processing. And one other thing that I did, I added a bit more reverb as compared to the lead vocal, just to make sure that the reverb pushes the ad-libs at the back of the mix. Another reason to make sure that they don't overpower the lead vocal. And then I disabled everything except for the EQ and the de-esser. So I'll do the same for the lead vocal so that you can be able to hear the before and after. Disable the compressor and the reverb. And these are the vocals without any EQ.
Baby, fuck a label. 100 kept it real, man, through all the years. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears. I can wait till I shine when the drama finally clears, so I can get my focus on.
As you can hear, they sound hollow, they sound dull, and they won't cut through the mix. So check it out with all the EQ and the de-esser.
Baby, fuck a label. 100 kept it real, man, through all the years. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears.
As you can hear, they sound much more punchy, they are clearer, and there's no any muddy frequencies. So I'll just keep switching between the before and after so that you can be able to hear the difference. Check it out. This is with
Baby, fuck a label. 100 kept it real, man, through all the years. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears. I can wait till I shine when the drama finally clears, so I can get my focus on. I'm writing one of the dopest songs. This music's one of the closest bonds I found while I've been holding on. And I never was for showing off, posing in front of cameras. Fuck you in the glamorous, this real shit, I can handle this.
As you can hear, the vocals sound boxy, they are muddy without the EQ, but with the EQ, they sound much more clearer. Check them out in the mix and you'll hear that they cut through the mix nicely. So I'll just keep switching between without and with it so that you can be able to hear the difference. So when the plugins are grayed out like this, that means there's no processing. When they become blue like this, that means there's processing. Check it out. We'll start without.
I kill shit, fuck the championships. Never been a fan of this. Off my dick and man a bitch. Watch the industry collapse. Only blood, sweat, and tears when I put this shit on wax. Gun up on my waist, money on the table. I just want some sauce, ketchup or the mayo. Flew right overseas, baby, San Diego. Been up on my shit, baby, fuck a label. 100 kept the real, man, through all the years. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears. I can wait till I shine when the drama finally clears, so I can get my focus on. I'm writing one of the dopest songs. This music's one of the closest phones I found while I've been holding on.
As you can hear, they cut through the mix nicely, even though the beat is not mixed yet, but you can be able to hear the difference, and you can tell that by the time the mix is finished, the vocals will be sitting nicely and fitting well with other sounds in the mix. So one other thing you might be wondering is whether you hear more volume. The volume is not a problem here because the Nectar 3 has a match feature, which makes sure that the difference between the before and after is at the same volume. So there's no volume change. It's just that the EQ is definitely helping the vocals sit well in the mix, become clearer and brighter. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure that you smash the like button. If you haven't done so, then subscribe and click the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video. If you want more detailed tutorials about mixing, check out talkinmusic.com/books. And that's all for today. I'll see you again soon. Take good care. Cheers.